Okay? After all the simulated hairs of one square of Mr. Plus are combed, we're going to put it on top of one of our models. Then before you put it on, we need to take a look at this thread of it. It must be facing forward and backward. It's the same on both sides, forward and backward. Don't go sideways like that. Don't go sideways, not sideways, after the good morning. There will be a label on our model. Usually my label will be placed on the front. Put it in the front position and then put it directly on top of one of my models. Put it on first. After putting it on, I would first tie it in a knot on the front of the chest. Pull it tighter first. Be sure to remember, this position must be tightened. After tying a knot in this position, we put extra rope behind his elbow, behind the elbow, and then I can flip it like this. Let's turn it over like this. It's got a knot, then come around, wrapped around the back of my elbow joint. Then I will give it the extra line, fasten it down there. You must use some force. Now I can flip it over. It might tie a little better. Turn it over and be sure to air it hard. Okay, so we've tied the previous part, then the back part is the same. Just turn this over and this pose in this position of turning over. Tie a knot at the bottom first. Tie a knot at the bottom. After finishing, the extra rope goes to the back of his butt. Go around to the back of the butt, okay? Now I have to stand up the model. After standing up, we have this extra line. The extra line I would tie directly behind it, but be sure to work hard. Otherwise, my hair cover will be tied hard later. So after this is tied, our cube hair is securely tied to one of our models. Then we can go pick and trim